and like all things funny.
Shamshed, I live in Ajmer. I speak Urdu and will learn other languages too.
I am Pariniti. I come from Guwahati. I speak Assamese and I like eating cheese.
My name is Mahendra. I come from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati and people say I'm naughty. I am Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi and I'm learning Hindi. I am Rohit Pillai. I live in Chennai. I speak Tamil and Telugu.